Imagine waking up in the dead of night to an unexpected visitor, not a thief, not a neighbor, but a wild elephant. This is exactly what happened in a small village near the Nilakottai forest area. This magnificent giant wandered into the village, possibly in search of food or water. Elephants often stray from their forest homes when natural resources become scarce, and that brings them closer to human settlements. While the sight of such a majestic creature is fascinating, it's also dangerous. Villagers stayed alert, making sure to keep a safe distance. It's important to never provoke or disturb a wild elephant, as they can feel threatened and react unpredictably. The Nilakottai forest area is home to many elephants, and human-wildlife encounters like this are becoming more common. As we expand our living spaces, these gentle giants often lose theirs. It's a reminder of why forest conservation and protecting natural habitats are so crucial. Thankfully, a peaceful ending. The elephant returned to the forest without harming anyone. But it leaves us with an important question. How can we coexist peacefully with wildlife? What would you do if a wild elephant entered your village? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife.